Hey everyone, my name is Bhagat Gaud. Welcome to my channel. In the previous video, I showed you how to download and install previous versions of Blender and the latest version of Blender. After installing the Blender, first thing you have to do is go to Edit, go to Preferences and go to Interface and change the resolution scale according to your screen. If it is too small, just increase it, or it is too big, you can decrease it. 1 is the default. Here go to status bar and enable system memory, video memory and Blender versions. It will enable how much RAM I am using, how much GPU power I am currently using and the version of the Blender file. Then go to add-ons and enable Node Wrangler add-on. Search Node Wrangler and enable this. If you follow any tutorials online, every YouTuber tells you to enable this first. So enable the Node Wrangler, then go to system. By default, it will be selected as none. If you have NVIDIA graphic card, select optics, then select your graphic card. If you have AMD graphic card, you can select this. Then if you want to see your Blender files with the thumbnail, you can register here. Here you can choose how many undo steps you want. Come here and click on Save Preferences. That's it. If you have a low-end PC, in the render properties, go to sampling and set this as small number like 32 or 64. And in the render samples, change it to something like 256 or 128 according to your system performance. After doing that, if you want to use the same settings every time you open Blender, then you have to save it. Go to File, Default, then Startup File. That's it for this video. In the next video, we will learn even more. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. We will meet again in the next video. Thank you.